we are learning operations. In that operation toolbar we have learned corner, chamfer, and now it is one more thing. Here it is drop down option is there. Pull out from this toolbar. There you can see the name delimitations. Okay, what is it? Delimitations. Today we are going to learn these delimitations. In the delimitations there are 5 tools are there, that is trim, break, quick trim, close arc, and complement. Okay, 5 options are there. So let's see trim. For example, I have drawn this. This is the lines I have drawn. So in first option trim, I have select trim. In this trim option, here we have 2 options again. One is trim all elements, second one is trim first element. So now I am choosing first of all trim all elements. When I selected that, see 1, 2, the connectivity is broken here. See, line 1 continued up to here, and this line 2. Okay, let's see trim 1, option 1 and option 2. It is joined here, the remaining part is erased. Let's see once again. See, here it is trim option 1, trim all elements, line 1, line 2. It is joining at intersection of these 2 lines. Okay, this is the trim 1 option. In trim 2, second option, trim first element. For example, this is my first element and this is my second element. So here it is broken, the line is broken here because I have selected first line it is. So in our option trim first element, so here it is trimmed out first line. Okay, let's see again trimmed first element. This is the first element and this is the line between the circle and line, it is eliminated here. See, this is broken and this is erased. Now here it is break. Select the see, now this is a complete line. Here you can observe whenever I move my cursor on line, here we can see the line blue color complete from this point to here end point. This is in blue color. Now I selected break option. Now this line is single entity. Now I want to break into 2 parts. So see here, here some indication is giving here. Select the element to be broken or a common point. So now I am choosing a point here, selected. Okay, I selected here point C. Now see, observe the line. This is the one element and this is the second element. So the line is broken into 2 parts. Now again see here, this line is there. Now again I am choosing break. This is the complete line. Now I break again at this point. Okay, see 1, 2, the line is broken. Initially it is completely one line. Now it is second time I divided into 2 parts, 1 and this is 2 part. After that again I selected this line into 2 parts, 1, and finally the single line I divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, by using break option. Okay, This is the use of break. It makes the single entity into two parts. Okay, we use this option. For example, I want to make this triangle, and I'm using this circle here. Okay, now I want to if I want to erase this line, if I want to delete that line, it will be deleted completely. So I don't want to delete complete line. Here I want to use break. Select this line. I want the line up to here, the joint selected. So it's divided now two parts. So now I delete by using option delete on keyboard. It will be delete only half of the part because it is broken into two parts. Like, it will be useful if we know where we have to use the option, where we have to use the tool, then it will be useful. Okay, how many we have learned now? Trim and break. Now quick trim. I will explain quick trim in next. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.